Yo guys, I wanted to show you a trading platform that has a really awesome customer support and will be able to help you out with whatever trading type that you would like. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of EnviFX. Link to this will be in the description of the video, guys. This is actually an awesome trading broker and I have already been using this for quite some time now. And from the start, I never had issues with my deposits and especially with my withdrawals because you want to make sure that whenever you would like to withdraw your money, you would be able to. And their customer service is actually 24/7, so you will have the support that you need no matter what time zone you are in the world. And if you want to try them out, guys, I will put the link in the description of the video, guys. That way you can just go ahead and click on it. It will take you directly to their website. So you could also, if you have questions, you could shoot me your questions. But of course, they have their awesome support there that will also be able to assist you whatever questions you may have about their platform. So their website, guys, has all sorts of information here. So you have the about here, EnviFX, cloud compute, risk disclosure in terms of it, and terms and conditions. You have the MT4 and MT5. You have web trader as well. Okay, you have the support here. If you could go ahead and click on that, it will definitely get you into an email that you would be able to send to them and they can answer you with whatever questions you may have. Now, they have the spreads and stocks. They have the account types here, PAM accounts, deposit and withdraw. How to fund an account is also here. And they also have the affiliate program and the FX calculator as well as the market trading hours. Let me go ahead and click on account types. That way I could show it to you here. All right, so for the account types, guys, they have 4 different types that you could choose from. One is the standard. They have the pro and the VAR as well as the mini. Now guys, standard will give you a leverage of 1 to 500, okay, and you have a lot of different things in here as well. Now you have the pro. I would suggest that you before you decide on whatever type you would like to purchase, make sure to check it out first. Like, what features do you really need, right? That way when you make your purchase, it is efficient and is what you need and not just any type of features that you purchased but you don't really need or you don't use, right? So you have a lot of pairs here. So you have a lot of different features, a lot of different things that they would be adding up once you head on to a higher account type. Okay, so it's all here. You could check that one out. And going up to the trading, you could check out deposit and withdraw. See for yourself, what are the methods of payments that they have for you to withdraw or deposit your money into the trading platform. So you have debit or credit. Feel free to use Bitcoin as well. More ways to fund, full STP execution. And guys, right at this moment, almost all crypto traders already has, they have their wallet already. You don't need to use your debit or credit card. But if you need to use your debit or credit card, you could definitely use it here. Okay, you could click on start trading there. Sign up. Okay, you just have to click on sign up. It's very easy. It'll take you directly to another site here, which will then ask your first name, last name, email, phone, and the password that you would be using. And you have the partner code here because again, guys, they have their affiliate program. So that's another way on how you could earn from this platform, guys. You could use their affiliate program. So you could also help me out. I will put the link in the description on how you could register. You could just go ahead and click on that. It will have my affiliate link. Okay, and you could also help me out and I'll get some commission out of that. All right, guys, go ahead and check out EnviFX. This is something that you really want to use in terms of making your trades with whatever type of trading you would like. All right, if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.